Welcome. Today, we're going to explore how to view all shared documents in a Telegram web channel using your PC. If you're looking to access important files, reports, or any other documents shared within a channel, this guide will make it easy for you. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to web.telegram.org. This will take you to the Telegram web interface. If you aren't logged in yet, enter your phone number and verification code to access your account. Once you're logged in, you'll see your chat list and channels on the left side of the screen. Next, find the channel that you want to explore. You can scroll through your list or use the search bar at the top to quickly locate the channel. Once you've found it, click on the channel name to open it. Now that you're in the channel, look for the channel's name at the top of the screen. Click on it to open the contact info. This section provides various details about the channel, including its description and member list. Once you're in the channel info section, look for the option labeled Files. Clicking on this will display all the documents that have been shared within the channel. This section is incredibly useful for finding specific files, without having to scroll through all the chat messages. As you browse through the available documents, you'll see file names, types, and sizes, making it easy to identify what you need. If you're searching for a particular document, take a moment to look through the list to find the one you're after. When you find a document you want to view or download, simply click on it. The file will either open in your browser or prompt you to download it, depending on your settings. This allows you to access the information quickly and efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to view all shared documents on a Telegram web channel using your PC.